How to remove Meta AI from Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to remove Meta AI from Facebook. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Meta AI is a new feature for Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram that uses artificial intelligence to suggest things to you. For example, it can suggest who to message on WhatsApp, what to post on Facebook, or who to follow on Instagram. Some people like Meta AI because it can be helpful and save them time. Others are concerned about their privacy and don't want Meta to collect more data about them. If you decide to turn off Meta AI, you can do so in the settings of Facebook. So go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and further tap on the menu icon on the bottom right of your screen. Now, if you scroll down, you will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that and further tap on settings. Now, tap on privacy and then tap on your privacy controls. Scroll down and tap on Manage Your AI Settings and go ahead and toggle the switches off for the features you want to disable. So this is how you can remove Meta AI from Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.